These top NFT projects are going insane, times 150. Are you in search of cryptos that would make you great profit, and that too in 2022? Then worry not, because we are right here for you. This time we will be discussing some NFT projects that are going insane this year. Moreover, you will be mind-boggled to know that their prices are known to have hiked almost by 150 times. So sit tight in any place you find comfortable and let us take you to the diverse world of crypto. Are you curious? Want to know what are those tokens whose prices are going wild? Then stay with us till the end of the video and find the answer to all of your doubts and queries. Hello everyone, welcome to StepByStep Crypto, your favorite crypto channel. Here we take you step by step towards a deeper understanding of the crypto world. So let's get straight to the topic. Now, firstly comes Decentraland, which is a virtual reality platform powered by the Ethereum blockchain, where users can create, experience, and monetize content and applications. Furthermore, Land in Decentraland is an NFT project that lets the owner purchase blocks of real-world lands and real estate, only to be used in the creation of a virtual world. And the owners of these NFTs will gain access to the lands and would be able to create anything of their choice as needed. Now, isn't it wonderful? Coming to its tokens, mana is a non-fungible token used to define the ownership of land parcels representing digital real estate. It facilitates the purchase of land as well as virtual goods and services used in the Decentraland. Well, according to research, when the project started back in 2015, the price of each token was less than $1, but right now its price has increased to $35.61, and by the end of 2022, its price is set to increase to $92. What? Can't believe it? Told you that these NFTs are going insane. So I don't think you'll need my opinions, or rather, you won't wait for my opinions on this NFT seeing the hike in price. And who knows, by the end of 2022, it might also cross the milestone of $100, making it one of the most expensive tokens. So hurry up and check it out. Then comes the Metroverse, which is a strategy game involving NFT collection, trading, and staking city blocks. The Ethereum-based game combines three of the fastest-growing niches of the moment, precisely DeFi, NFT, and gaming. In fact, the two 18-year-olds responsible for this unique blend of technology are avid gamers themselves. Moreover, the company Metroverse was founded mostly immediately after presenting the idea to a Silicon Valley entrepreneur. I guess by now everyone who loves to play games has jumped out of joy after hearing that this NFT is a strategy game. Ain't I correct? Now coming back to the topic, the native tokens of Metroverse. MET are incentivized to strategically acquire and add additional blocks to their collection, as MET tokens can be utilized within the game economy to improve their holdings and generate even more tokens. Surprisingly, in the OpenSeas, which is one of the most famous websites for minting NFTs, are bidding each token for a price of $100. Now just imagine by early 2022, it has placed itself in the $100 mark. So what will happen by the end of the year and after 3 years? No wonder it will cross $150. So what are you waiting for? The first thing you should do after completing this video is checking out this NFT project. But wait a moment, the list ain't finished yet. As next up comes the Dino Dog Kingdom, a blue chip NFT which is a collection of 3,500 unique, cheeky critters designed by a team of experienced professionals led by Oscar-winning VFX artist Adam Dewhurst. Each citizen of Dino Dog Kingdom is unique in both physical and temperamental aspects. Being a citizen or a token owner grants you access to the kingdom, including future drops, so it feels like the owner of the tokens will get to experience Jurassic World in real life. Well, jokes aside, its tokens are known as DDK or Dino Dog tokens. As it is rather a new NFT project, the owners are yet to decide how the minting process will take place. But the most exciting thing about these tokens is that they are going to be a part of the Metaverse. Additionally, these goals is for holders to be able to use their own Dino Dog in the Metaverse. There will also be further utility for these avatars, which will be updated in its community in the coming weeks, as it will be dependent on other Metaverse partners they choose. Seriously, this is one mysterious token. So now if we are talking about its tokenomics, which is obviously the most exciting part, you should know that after its launch, all the available tokens were sold in just 4 minutes. Can you believe it? The initial price of DDK was $0.3827 per token, but with a daily hike of 1.50%, now it has gone up to more than $50. As the details of the NFT project are not much known, it's hard to provide accurate details, but it is expected to cross the $125 mark by the end of this year, which means it has a prediction of a hike rate of 125 times. Like, insane it is. Well, if I was in your place, I would have definitely checked it out because the statistics and the progress record of this NFT cannot be overlooked. What? Didn't like that one? Well, there's still another NFT named Beings. Actually, it's a collection of 10,000 bees living on Ethereum blockchain that empowers people to be who they're meant to be. Well, moving aside from that pun, Kyler Allen is the founder of Beings NFT. He's a 22-year-old hustler, and like many NFT enthusiasts, he's dabbled in sports cards and memorabilia collecting. In fact, there's a total supply of 10,000 unique beings that will be released in the Metaverse on February 1st. Moreover, the Beings NFT is a PFP project which aims to help empower people to be more creative and believe in themselves. And according to an informative source, the Beings NFT has dropped their collection of 10,000 beings on January 31st, where each being NFT costs 0.075 ETH to mint, which is very cheap. Also from the CoinMarketCap, we get to know that it has a hike rate of 2% per month. So if the prediction is correct, then by the end of 2022, the price of the tokens will be more than $50, and by the end of 2025, you can imagine that the price chart will touch the range between $100 to $150 mark. Well, in my opinion, it's quite a good NFT project and you should definitely check it once, because you guys know the NFT price charts very well, and any NFT can get an unimaginable hike at any time. But after all that, let's finally talk about the world of women, which is rather quite a unique one that empowers womanhood. Interesting, isn't it? So, World of Women was launched on the night of July 27th to bring more visibility and better diversity to the NFT space. Well, without a doubt, the token, also known as WOW tokens, were sold right after its launch. Furthermore, to add to the excitement, WOW has updated their IP rights to grant holders complete ownership of their WOW NFTs. This means that your next business can use your WOW as its digital identity. By doing this, WOW wanted to give users more rights than they already had. Great, isn't it? Rather an innovative idea. For your information, the price of these tokens was less than $1 at its initial price, but surprisingly, its price recently rose at a great rate by 50 times. Right now, its price has already crossed $50, and it's also predicted to cross the $100 mark by next year. So I guess you should check this out a bit before moving on to the next. Now that we've reached the end of this video, tell us in the comments which NFT has gained your most interest, and if you would like to purchase the tokens. So these were the top NFTs that you should check out, for they are going insane in 2022. But there are also many more free NFTs like Metroverse, Creaturewood, Crypto Ducks, Moonboys, Autograph.io, etc. Though they couldn't make it to the top 5, they're also amazing ones. If you have the time, then I would recommend you also to check them at least once. Thank you, viewers. Please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever we upload a new video. And share the video as much as you can, because the more you know, the more you grow. And do take note that this is just financial advice. Though the above mentioned NFTs are free, you can also invest in them and buy or sell them. Therefore, before engaging in any kind of financial activity, invest at your own risk. Okay, that's it for today. Hope you liked our video. Stay tuned for the next interesting video, and we assure you, you will not be disappointed. For the time being, peace out.